Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you adverb. This is one of the most important lessons in English grammar. What am I going to teach you about adverbs in this video is what is adverb, types of adverbs, rules of adverbs and spotting errors based on adverbs. First let us discuss what is adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word, phrase or clause that is used to modify a verb, an adjective, other adverbs and a sentence. What is an adverb? It is used to modify verb, adjective, other adverb and sentence. Let us see the examples how it modifies these verb and adjective and other verb and other sentences. So look at these examples. Pranavi speaks English fluently. Pranavi speaks English fluently. The word fluently is called adverb. That is modifying the verb speak. So it is showing how she speaks, manner. So the word fluency is modifying the verb speaks. So adverb modifies the verb in a sentence. Look at another example how it modifies the verb. We are driving our car carefully. We are driving our car carefully. In this sentence, carefully is an adverb that is modifying the verb driving. It is showing how we are driving. So look at another example. She sang the songs beautifully. In this sentence, beautifully is an adverb that is modifying the verb sang, sing. How she sang, it is showing. So she sang the song beautifully. So here fluently, carefully, beautifully are modifying the verbs. So adverb modifies a verb, you understood clearly. Next let us see how it modifies an adjective. Look at this example. It is too late to reach. In this sentence, too is an adverb and late is an adjective. Late is an adjective. So too is modifying the adjective late. So it is too late to reach. So too is modifying the adjective, that is late. Adjective modifies verb and adjective. Look at another example how it modifies the adjective. The weather is very hot. In this example, hot is an adjective. Hot is an adjective. So very is adverb that is modifying the adjective hot. Very hot. So look at another example. This movie is really interesting. In this example, interesting is an adjective. So it is showing the quality of the movie. So really is an adverb. It is modifying adjective. So you clearly understood adverb modifies a verb and adjective. Next it modifies other adverb. Look at these sentences. I am running very fast. In this example, fast is an adverb. It is modifying the verb running. Here very is also an adverb. It is modifying another adverb fast. So very fast, very is modifying another adverb that is fast. Look at another example. They are playing very well. In this statement, well is an adverb. Well is modifying the verb playing. They are playing well. So very is also an adverb that is modifying well. So adverb modifies another adverb. Look at another example. I will consider your suggestion very seriously. In this sentence, seriously is an adverb. It is modifying the verb consider. So here very is also adverb. It is modifying another adverb, that is seriously. So now you clearly understood adverb modifies a verb, adjective and adverb. Next let us see how it modifies a sentence. So look at this example. Fortunately, I got there in time. So here fortunately is an adverb that is modifying the entire sentence. I got there in time. Look at another example. Curiously, we never found out what went wrong that day. Curiously, we never found out what went wrong that day. So here in this sentence, curiously is an adverb that is modifying the whole sentence. Look at another example. Actually, I must tell you that I am not at all happy. So in this sentence, the word actually is adverb that is modifying the whole sentence. So what is adverb? Adverb is a word or phrase or clause that modifies a verb, an adjective, other adverb and the whole sentence. Let us learn the types of adverbs. So what are the types of adverbs? They are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, adverb of probability, adverb of reason, and interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs. These are the types of adverbs you are going to learn in this video. So first we will discuss adverb of time. What is adverb of time? It tells us when the action, when it tells us when. It tells us when the action occurs or occurred. So what are those adverbs of time? They are now, then, still, yet, tomorrow, yesterday, ago, recently, again, soon, already, earlier, later, lately, recently. So the words which are used to indicate time are called adverb of time. What are they? Now, then, still, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday, at 4 o'clock in the morning. The words or phrases which indicate time are always called adverb of time. What do? They tell us when the action occurs or occurred. Look at the example. He went to Delhi yesterday. Here, he went to Delhi. The action happened. Action happened. I am showing when it happened yesterday. He went to Delhi when it happened yesterday. The word yesterday is indicating the time of the action. So that is called adverb of time. Look at another example. Rahul has bought a car recently. Rahul has bought a car is a statement. That means that action occurred. Rahul has bought a car. When he bought a car? Recently. The word recently is adverb of time that is showing when he bought. Look at another example. Harini forgot her keys yesterday and again today. So Harini forgot her keys. This is the statement which completed. So this is the action which occurred. When it occurred? Yesterday, again today. The words yesterday and again today are denoting the time of the action when it happened. So what are the adverb of times? They are now, then, tomorrow, yesterday, last week, last year, in the morning, at 4 o'clock. They denote the action. They denote us. They tell us when the action occurs or occurred. For example, I will come. If I say I will come, When I will come, I have to indicate time there. I will come tomorrow, I will come day after tomorrow, I will come next year. The words tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next year are called adverb of time. So now you clearly understood. Let us discuss another type of adverb, that is place. Adverb of place. So adverb of place, it tells us where. It tells us where the action occurs or occurred. Adverb of time tells us time when the action occurs or occurred. Now adverb of place tells us where the action occurs or occurred. What are those adverbs of place? They are here, there, everywhere, nowhere, wherever, anywhere, on the table, so on the sofa, at the bus stop, in India. The phrase or clause or words which indicate place, they are called adverb of place. Look at the example. He is waiting for you. This is a statement. The action is going on. He is waiting for you. So I want to tell you the place where the action occurs. Where is the action going on? So there. He is waiting for you there. So the word there is indicating the place of the action. That is called adverb of place. I did not find the keys. Here I am saying I did not find the keys. So anywhere is denoting the place. That means it is giving a negative idea. That means I did not find the keys anywhere means I did not find them anywhere. So I did not find them nowhere. So anywhere is indicating the place of the action. So that is called adverb of place. Look at another example. She will come here tomorrow. She will come here. She will come. General statement. The action will happen. So where will it happen? It happens here. So tomorrow is the time, adverb of time, and here it is adverb of place. These two are adverbs only. So here, there, I will wait at the bus stop. I will wait at the bus stop. Here at the bus stop is an adverb phrase. It is indicating the place of the action. Okay, I will come when you come. I will come when you come. In this statement, when you come is indicating the time, that is adverb of time. I will come where you invite me. I will come where you invite me. So here where you invite me is showing the place of the action. So that is adverb of place. So let us see another type of adverb. Next, adverb of manner. So adverb of manner tells us how the action occurs or occurred. Adverb of time tells us when the action occurs or occurred. Adverb of place tells us where the action occurs or occurred. And here adverb of manner tells us how the action occurs or occurred. What are they? Mostly adverb of manner are formed from adjectives. Adverb of manner are formed from adjectives by adding ly to them. How they are formed? They are formed from adjectives by adding ly. So see how they are formed from adjectives. Beautiful, this is an adjective. So when we add ly to this, it will become adverb. Beautifully, beautifully. Beautiful is an adjective. Adverb of manner is formed from the word beautifully, that by adding ly, beautifully. Skillful, skillfully. So fluent, fluently. Delicious, deliciously. By adding ly to adjective, it will become adverb. Most of the adverb of manner are formed by adding adjectives, by adding ly. Whenever you come across the word ly, it is adverb only. So look at how these adverb of manner tell the manner of the action. Look at this example. She is speaking English. She is speaking English. This is an action. It is going on. She is speaking English. I am adding how she speak. How is she speaking? Fluently. The word fluently is showing how she is speaking. So this is called adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? It tells us how the action occurs or occurred. How the action is going on? Fluently. So the word fluently is modifying the verb and it is showing how it is happening. So she is speaking English fluently. She speaks English fluently. So look at another example. They are decorating the house beautifully. So they are decorating. This is the action going on. How they are decorating? They are decorating the house beautifully. The word beautifully is modifying the verb decorating. So it is showing how they are doing the action. Now you clearly understood how adverb of manner function in a sentence. Now let us discuss some more examples of adverbs of manner. He passed the exam easily. So the word easily is adverb of manner. It is showing how he passed it. She answered the question correctly. The word correctly is an adverb of manner that is showing how she answered the question correctly. They walked quickly to catch the train. How they walked? Quickly. So quickly, easily, correctly, fluently, these are adverb of manner. So let us discuss adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how many times the action occurs or occurred. Adverb of frequency tells us how many times the action occurs or occurred. There are two types of adverbs of frequency. They are definite frequency and indefinite frequency. There are two types of adverbs of frequency. They are definite frequency and indefinite frequency. So what do? They tell us how many times the action occurs or occurred. First, let us discuss definite frequency. Definite frequency. Look at this. The words like daily, hourly, weekly, monthly, yearly, every second, once a minute, twice a year, once, twice, once or twice, 3 times. So the words daily, hourly, yearly, monthly, and once a week, twice a week, 3 times a day, once a minute. So these words are called definite frequency. They tell us how many times the action occur. So look at the example, how they function in this sentence. Most companies pay taxes. Most companies pay taxes. When? Yearly. So the word yearly is showing the action happens every time, frequently. So look at another example. The manager checks the files every hour. The phrase every hour is showing how many times the action occurs every hour. So that is definite frequency. That means it will happen definitely. So the directors meet weekly to review progress. Here that is showing how many times the directors meet. How many times the directors meet? They meet weekly. So weekly, every hour, monthly. These are definite frequency of adverbs. They show how definitely the action occurs frequently. Let us discuss indefinite frequency. Indefinite frequency means they are the words like always, constantly, usually, normally, frequently, regularly, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, infrequently, seldom, hardly ever, never. So they give us the words give us an idea about frequency, but they do not tell us exactly. So indefinite frequency are always, constantly, usually, sometimes, occasionally, regularly, hardly, often, seldom. They give us an idea about frequency, but not exactly. Look at the example, how they function in a sentence. She is always late. She is always late. Here, always is indefinite frequency. It is showing how she is late. She is always late. Like look at another example. Vikram often meets me. Here the word often is showing the frequency of the action. Sometimes they come and stay with us. Here the word sometimes is showing how the action occurs, how many times the action occurs. So it gives us an idea about frequency. Sometimes they come and stay with us. I play tennis occasionally. We usually go shopping on Sunday. So these are adverbs of frequency. And always remember, adverb of frequency are placed before the main verbs in a sentence. Some adverbs come at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. So most of them come before the main verb. Often, always, seldom, never, they always go before the main verb after the helping verb. So next we'll discuss adverb of reason. Adverb of reason. So what is adverb of reason? It is used to tell the reason beyond happening of a particular occurrence. What is adverb of reason? It is used to tell us the reason behind the happening of a particular occurrence, particular action. It is used to show why the action is happening. So some examples of adverbs of reason are therefore, hence, because, so, etc. So adverb of reason tell us the reason behind the action of something. So look at the example. He is ill. He is ill and therefore he is unable to come to school. Here therefore is showing the reason. What is that reason? He is ill. So it is showing the reason of that particular action. He is ill, therefore he is unable to come to school. The word therefore is used to tell the reason. Next, look at another example. The bell rang. So they left the classroom. So the word so is showing the reason of that action. So look at another example. Plastics are harmful. Hence, we should not use them. So the word hence is showing the reason. So the words reason and results which show are called adverbs. So look at another example. He ran so fast. He ran fast so that he could catch the train. He ran so fast. He ran fast so that he could catch the train. The word so that, the phrase so that is showing the reason. And the words reason and results which show are also called adverbs. So because, so, hence, therefore, these are all adverbs. As, since, which shows the reason are always called adverbs. Next, let us discuss adverb of probability. So what is adverb of probability? Adverbs of probability are used to show how sure we are about a situation or event. Adverbs of probability are used to show how sure we are about a situation or event. That means you are sure about the action that will happen. So what are adverb of probabilities? They are definitely, certainly, clearly, obviously, possibly, perhaps, probably, maybe. So these are the adverbs of probabilities. They are used to show how you are sure about the event or action that will definitely happen. So look at the example, how it functions. I will probably go tonight. Here probably indicating that you are sure about the action that happens. I will probably go tonight. I will go tonight, if you say, maybe, there may be chance. But I will probably go out means you are indicating that you are sure about the action that will happen. The word probably is called adverb of probability. Look at another statement. Maybe the rain will stop soon. Maybe the rain will stop soon. Maybe, the word maybe is adverb of probability. That means you are sure that maybe the rain will stop soon, means you are sure about that. Look at another example. She is certainly coming to the party. She is coming to the party, that is general statement. She is certainly coming to the party means it is showing that you are sure about the action that she will definitely come. So certainly, probably, maybe, definitely, clearly, perhaps, these are all adverb of probability. So they are always placed before the main verb, sometimes at the beginning or at the end of the beginning of the sentence. This is called main verb. Let us discuss interrogative adverbs. What are interrogative adverbs? Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. They are used for asking questions. So what are they? Which types of questions they ask? They ask the questions. They ask the question when the action happens, where the action happens, and how the action happens, and why the action happens. So what are they? When, where, what, how, why. So what are interrogative adverbs? They are when, where, what, how, and why. These are etc. Let us see the examples how they function in a sentence. When will you go to America? So here when is an adverb, interrogative adverb that is used to ask question. When will you go to America? It is asking the question. When will that action happen? It is asking when will that action happen. So look at another example. How will she come here? The word how is used to ask question. So it is used to ask the question how the action happen. How will she come here means it is the word how is an interrogative adverb. It is showing how the action happens. Why? That means reason. Always remember the words which indicate time and the words which can indicate the time of the action, place of the action, reason, manner, frequency. These are called adverbs. So the adverbs which denote time, place, reason, manner, frequency are called adverbs. Okay.